Hi everyone. So welcome back to the audit chapter, and this is the last topic of the audit sampling, probability proportional to size PPS sampling. So this is it's a literally small topic, and I think that I should have covered this in the previous chapter only, but that's my bad that I didn't cover it that. So we can finish it quickly. So probability proportional to the size sampling. This is not the popular form of the sampling, though used sometimes in the audit. So PPS sampling is generally used when performing the substantive test of the details, whereby sampling unit is each dollar in a population, also known as dollar unit sampling, monetary unit sampling, or cumulative monetary amount sampling. So alternative to the classical variable sampling, while sampling for the substantive test of the details, but it is based on the attribute sampling theory. So it is considered as the hybrid method. So there are few things which needs to be determined here, like sampling interval, random start point, and the sample size. So there are few advantages of this over the classical variable sampling, such as it is generally easier to apply. Since PPS is based on the attribute sampling theory, auditor can easily calculate the sample size, select the sample, and evaluate the sample results. Also, auditor can begin the sample selection even before the entire population is available. Since each item has the probability of selection proportional to its size, auditor do not need to consider the population characteristics like the standard deviation, do not need to stratify the population to reduce the variability, do not need to identify any individually significant items. Also, if auditor expects no misstatement, the uh, based on the RMM assessment, then its result may be very much efficient uh, in the sample size. Also, there are few disadvantages of this over the classical variable sampling, such as it is not useful to detect the understatement, or smaller accounts have the proportionately the lower chance of being selected, and there are zero or negative accounts never selected. So as expected, dollar of the misstatement increase sample size, making it inefficient. So the calculation process of here is, so first it is sampling interval is taken, which is tolerable misstatement divided by the reliability factor. After that, sample size is determined basis population amount and sampling interval to determine the projected misstatement of each actual misstatement. Actual misstatement is identified, tenting factor is identified, and then the projected misstatement is identified. After that, add all the projected misstatement and compare with the tolerable misstatement. So this was all about the PPS sampling. Let me know if you have any queries in the comment section. And thank you for staying connected. I will see you in the next chapter in audit. Bye bye.